welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Online Income. In this video, we are going to talk about PAWS new update. If you are logging into your PAWS, you have to go through Phantom Wallet. So if you have your Phantom Wallet, open it and click this place. Tap on this, click on this place to search for the PAWS. Once you tap on the place, you go to the search menu here and look for PAWS community. Type PAWS.community. I already have it, so PAWS.community. So just click on it. It will open and take you to the PAWS dashboard. Now let's check for our allocation. For you to check your allocation, if you have not done that before, tap on this place. Tap on this place and click claim. Click the claim icon. Take it up, scroll up, click next. This is my allocation. My allocation is still here. Nothing has changed. I don't know if people are complaining about their own PAWS reducing, but since they gave us our own allocation, my own has not changed. So I am hoping that by the day of claiming and it will be successful. And the new update is that the claiming will start on the 13th of March and probably end by 15th or 17th, while the TG, which is the listing date, will be on the 18th. So, and it is going to be claimed through Phantom Wallet. You need a SO in your Phantom account. If you have not fund your account, I will do a video on how to fund your Phantom account through SO, and also how to claim your PAWS. Then probably after claiming your PAWS, you can send it to any exchange of your choice. So that video will come shortly after this one. This is just to update us about PAWS latest update. If you go to their Twitter handle, some of the information coming up, you see claiming will open on 13 March and end on 17 March. Token, if you click further, you will see information from this PAWS account. You will see further information. This is saying what is your price prediction. This is one of their tricks. This is how they allocate token allocation, PAWS app and future airdrop, ecosystem team liquidity, Solana OG community. So if you have Solana in your Phantom, you might likely receive a PAWS allocation, PAWS token. Look at it, 7.5% will be given to Solana OG community. So if you are Phantom Wallet, you have been using it to carry a transaction and you have you fund it with SO, you might likely get some free PAWS. So let's go back. So what is your price prediction for PAWS? I hope PAWS will cook and do well. For me, I believe 0.01 or 2 will not be a bad prediction. That would be a good one, at least. With this token, I have 6,021. $50 and above is a good one. I know it's going to do better than the Amster, even though they have the same total supply. So get ready for the claiming, and a new video will come up where you will get update on how to fund your phantom if you don't know how to do it, and fund it with so and how to claim it to your phantom and send to your exchange. So let's prepare for the TGE, and I believe every one of us will smile this time around, since we have been getting disappointment from all these airdrop not doing well. So if this is your first time of coming across my video or channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so I receive notification whenever I drop a new video. Also like and share this video. You can watch my playlist for other videos. Thank you for watching.